downstairs in your shower and you turned up your hot water heater and your shower water is still not hot, that's because it has nothing to do with your hot water heater, or not so much. I did a lot of research so you guys don't have to. I'm explaining this as quick as I could. Every shower has a different cartridge. Most of this, 99% of them can be adjusted without breaking your wall. I'm just doing a remodel here and explaining to you, so don't worry, you don't have to do all this. This shower right here has this handle over it. You're going to remove it by sticking an Allen wrench up in that little hole at the bottom, and you are going to turn it counterclockwise to unscrew it. Once you've got that off, this is the cap that will be on there. This is my cartridge. Most of them are the same. Some of these don't need unscrewing. Once you get behind that plate and get in here, mine unscrews. I'm just going to show you two different ones so you guys can get an idea. I would unscrew this counterclockwise. This would get removed, allowing this water adjuster to get hotter or colder. And you'll see instructions in there. What I mean by instructions, you see how that little plus sign says? That way is hot. This way is cold. And to make my water hotter, I would remove the screw and then this piece right here, and allowing this to move out and over. That gives me hot water when I go counterclockwise. If I pull it out and go over this way, you see that little pin, and put it towards anything towards this way is colder, 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 freezing. All the way one more notch that way is extremely hot. Okay, so that's one cartridge. And here is another cartridge, the one that I ripped out of my wall. I'm just happen to be changing my shower head. And as I told you, there's instructions on most of these. Oh, I have it upside down, I think. All right, you see how it says lower temperature, and it has an arrow to the left. This is also a cartridge that can be removed. Like I said, most of them can be removed and adjusted in here. And this is how you make your water hotter. So by turning this, moving this way, and turning it that way, we now got colder temperature. And this way is hotter. You get it? So all you're doing is, see these little notches right here? You're allowing your faucet to turn more. That's all it's doing. But by moving this, you see that little stopper on top right here? That stops it, saying, oh, you ain't getting hotter than that. Well, guess what? I want it more hotter. So I would lock it in here. And you can test it out. See how hot it is. And adjust it to where you want. And then put your little faucet ring and cap back on. So, like I said, that's how you make your water hotter. Hopefully this video helps you out one way or another, and you have something similar to one of those two cartridges that will help you out to adjust your water level. But that's where it's done at. You'll see a little ring up in here. They could be a little different. Every shower cartridge is pretty much different, which sucks. I wish they were all the same. But I'm sure you can get it from here now that you've got an understanding about what's going on. By turning that little notch, you're releasing more hot water into your cartridge and into your faucet. Okay, so thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up.